In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get eBay coupon codes. If you want to find coupon offers that may already be available on your eBay account, the easiest place to check is inside your eBay messages. This is where eBay sometimes sends promotions, discounts, and special offer notifications directly to you. The nice thing about this method is that you're checking official messages from the platform itself, so you can quickly see whether any current coupon codes or savings opportunities have been sent to your account. To begin, go to eBay and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main page, move your cursor over the My eBay option near the top of the screen. Hovering over My eBay will open a menu with several account-related sections. This is the easiest way to access your personal eBay dashboard without having to search through the site. From that menu, click on Messages. This will take you to your eBay Message Center, where account notifications, updates, hints, and promotional communications are stored. If you've never checked this section before, it's a good habit to start, because important offers can sometimes appear here and be easy to miss if you only focus on your email inbox. Once you're inside Messages, look for the section labeled From eBay and click on it. This helps filter your messages so you can focus specifically on messages sent by eBay rather than buyer or seller communication. That makes it much faster to spot any promotional announcements, discount events, or coupon-related messages. After that, simply go through the messages and check what offers eBay has sent you. Some messages may include limited time discounts, category-specific promotions, or coupon codes that can be applied during checkout. Pay close attention to any expiration dates, minimum purchase requirements, or item restrictions, since these offers often come with conditions. Reading those details carefully will help you avoid confusion later when you try to use the code. That's really all there is to it. Hover over My eBay, open Messages, click From eBay, and review the offers available in your account. If you don't see a coupon right away, you can always check back later, since promotions may appear at different times. Keeping an eye on this section regularly can help you catch savings opportunities before they expire.